may result in flooding of area creeks and streams. Ice jams on area rivers may also produce flooding. Areas affected include a portion of southeast Ohio, including the following counties: Athens, Gallia, Jackson, Ohio, Lawrence, Ohio, Meigs, Morgan, Vinton, and Washington. The hazardous weather can be expected from Wednesday evening through late Thursday night. Impacts: excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Additional details: rainfall will overspread the area Wednesday afternoon and continue into Thursday with 1 to 1.25 inches possible by Friday morning. In combination with melting snow, this will allow for strong rises on creeks and streams, particularly along Sims Creek, Duck Creek, and the Little Muskingum River. Flood safety information can be found at weather.gov/safety/flood. Water levels around ice jams are notoriously unpredictable and can change quickly with little or no warning. Anyone living or recreating near the river should pay close attention over the next few days and prepare for additional changes in water levels. Reports.
Okay, so everything it just said. I'm sorry about the shaky camera work, by the way, and I know I sound sick. Probably because I am. It's called, to be fair, I don't know what it is. I haven't been to the doctor, but I will be going. I'm just grateful that the snow is melting. It's 47 degrees today. So the snow is melting good.